up, guys? Welcome to my channel, The Medical World. This is Kanika Arora, and you're watching my channel. Our today's video topic is about the current situation, that is the coronavirus, how you can protect yourself and others from the coronavirus. I will give you some practices, and you have to follow this practice so that you can stay safe and let others be safe. So, let's start the video. The first one is wear a mask. We should always wear a mask when we are going outside because there is coronavirus in the air. And it is very important to protect our nose so that virus cannot enter our body. And always remember to keep your children safe. Every 2 years or older should wear the mask in public, and always use the sanitizer before putting your mask, and don't forget to keep the sanitizer, pocket sanitizer, in your pocket. Wear your mask over your nose and mouth and secure it under the chin. Make sure you breathe properly. Always make sure that you adjust your mask over your nose so that you may not face any type of problem, and always change your mask after 1 day, especially this blue mask. You can see this on the picture. These are just for 1 day use only, and if your mask is soiled, just change it frequently. Next one is stay 6 feet away from others. That is, if you are inside your home and some of your family members are sick, please avoid the contact with them and enable them to stay in the isolation. If they are at home also, avoid any type of content or do not share any articles, utensils and towels. And if you are outside the home, always practice the social distancing, that is the 6 feet or 2 meter from each other, so that you can stay safe and others can also stay safe, because it is very important to keep the social distancing, as people are at high risk of getting sick, right? So always I request you, all the viewers, please keep the social distancing. Next one is get vaccinated. When there is any type of virus going on, you have to always get the vaccination if it is available, because if you get the COVID vaccine, you will be secure and you may be able to do some works without any type of tension, right? So COVID vaccines are right out in India as well as in Canada. Please go and get the vaccine, have your appointments and get it. Next one is avoid the public places. Avoid the crowd and public places where there are so much people, because there will be very less social distancing, and it is very important to maintain the social distancing because it will reduce the amount of COVID cases and you will be safe, right? So please follow the social distancing. Next topic is wash your hands often. Always remember to perform the hand washing often with soap or water. You can also use the sanitizer, or you can have the sanitizer, pocket sanitizer, in your pocket, so that whenever you touch anything, right, side rails or door, uh, you can use the sanitizer that time. And hand washing is performed often for 20 seconds, especially who has been in the public place. So never forget to perform your hand washing, and always remember that hand washing prevents 90% of the germ. So please perform the hand washing. The next practice is cover while coughing and sneezing. Yes, if you wear a mask or if you're not wearing a mask, it is always important to cover your nose while you sneeze or cough. If you are wearing a mask, when you sneeze, after that change that mask, that is, put the new mask as soon as possible and perform the hand hygiene. And if you are not wearing the mask, then use the inside of the elbow and cover your nose. And whatever tissues you use, just throw them into the trash. It is very important to practice these things so that you can um, prevent the infection. The next practice is cleaning and disinfection. Always clean the surfaces because we touch those surfaces daily, so it is very important to clean this type of surfaces such as handles, phones, keyboards, toilets, and sinks. Last one is to monitor your health daily. If you are going out, you have to keep check on your symptoms because it's very important to maintain your health. And if you are having the some of the symptoms such as cough or temperature, you have to seek the medical attention immediately so that there will be complete medical records proper, and if there is any possibility of COVID-19 spread, it can be prevented. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video. I request you all to follow this practice so that you can stay safe from the coronavirus. And if you will remain safe, others will remain safe. Thank you so much.